In this guide, we're going to show you how to download and install Kodi on your PC quickly and easily. First of all, open your preferred web browser and search for Kodi download. In the search results, look for the official Kodi website, which should appear near the top of the results. Click on it to open the website. Once the Kodi website opens, scroll down until you find the available platforms. Here, you can choose the platform you want to use Kodi on. Since we're installing Kodi on a Windows PC, select the Windows version. A new page will open with different download options. You'll see options for 32-bit and 64-bit versions. Choose the option that matches your system. For this tutorial, we're going to select the 64-bit installer. Once you click on it, the download should start automatically. The installer file is around 73 MB, so simply wait for the download to finish. After the download is complete, open the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions and proceed through the setup just as shown in this tutorial. The installation may take a few moments, so be patient while the process completes. Once Kodi is successfully installed, launch the application. If Windows asks for permission, simply allow it to continue. And that's it! Kodi is now installed and ready to use on your PC. Now you can open Kodi, explore its features, and enjoy the experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Kodi.